Meet Zach. He's your average Temple student. He has a passion for watching TV, especially animated series, because he thinks they're all really funny. He loves to watch TV in bed, especially on rainy days. Zach's pretty much your typical college student. Binge watches series, doesn't really think twice about it. Whenever he has free time, he watches TV. What else would he do? But what is this really doing to him? With a plethora of action and horror titles available at his fingertips, Zach finds it hard not to watch violent TV content. It's just too easy. What he doesn't realize is that he's learning more than he'll ever know by watching these TV shows. I'm not just talking about learning the content of the TV show. I'm talking about how the TV show's content will affect his behavior. Zach seems like a normal, calm kid on the outside, but on the inside, all of the violent TV shows he's been watching have really been building up. In the recent weeks, following Zach's new binge obsession, The Walking Dead, a noticeable change in his behavior has been recognized. He's been much more aggressive and on edge about everything. He even gets physical sometimes. So I did some research, and I found this thing called social learning theory. It's a theory made up by this guy named Albert Bandura that says that we can learn by observing others, even on screen. It works based off three main factors: attention, where you observe something; retention, where you retain the information from your observation; and motivation, where you're motivated by vicarious reward. So what does this mean for our friend Zach? It means that the amount of TV shows he's been watching that contain violence are having more of an effect on his behavior than he thinks. It's the reason for all of his aggression and shortness. To be clear, social learning theory doesn't just talk about violence. However, violence is one of the main things that Albert Bandura talks about when speaking about social learning theory. He also says that there's a causal link between TV violence and viewer imitation, meaning that the cause leads to the effect. To put it in simpler terms, the more violent TV we watch, the greater the odds are that we exhibit violent behavior. Hopefully you learned something from this video. According to Albert Bandura, you already did.